Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to my important video. In this video I will show you how to add a follow button to your Facebook profile. This feature allows people who are not your Facebook friends to follow your public posts, giving you more reach and engagement on the platform. We will be showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how to add a follow button to your Facebook profile. Whether you are a content creator, influencer, or just want to connect with more people, adding a follow button can help you expand your online presence. So let's get started. First, you have to open at first your Facebook app, then go to your profile pic and you have to tap it. Just this is the profile pic, then go to tap it, then scroll down and again you have to tap settings and privacy. Yes, this is the settings and privacy. Again you have to click settings. Okay, click to the settings here, then scroll down here, just where you have to click, just here, how people can find and contact you, just click here. Then this is the first option here. You have to make sure whether it is friends of friends or not. Make sure that it will be friends of friends. There are many options here, but it will be friends and friends of friends. Just again go back, then go to the post here. This is the post option, just you have to click here. Again, who can see your future post? This is the first option here. Who can see your future post? Make sure it will be public. Again, it will be public here. Then go back. Then you have to find out where is follower and public content. Where is follower and public content? This, make sure this is the first option here. Make sure that it will be public. It will be public. Who can follow me? It will be public. Just go back. Now you can check whether your follow button is visible or not. But how? Just go to the profile pic that is on the left side. Just tap it. Now we have to click the three dot menu here. Yes, this is the three dot menu. Just click here. Now click the viewers. This is the viewers. Yes, follow button is visible. Very simple step. This is the way you can set your follow button into your profile as well. If you like this video, you are earnestly request to follow me for the future very ICT tech related video. Thank you all.